Hello there. Welcome to Nana's channel, which is all about sewing from basics to advanced. Today we're going to continue our dress because I'm trying to finish this dress today instead of going part 3. Now, I've gone ahead and finished the skirt except the left side because the left side has a 14-inch zipper. Okay, all my zippers are long, so I always have to shorten them. And then I left one gorget to walk you through it. Okay, so this is it. There we go. There. Now, the top part of it, the bodice part, it has a long belt that it crisscross from the right to the left. And I've put in the sleeves already. Okay, so that one is done. And I've done one side of the overlap. Okay, this is how it looks like. Now, when the top is facing you at the wrong side, you have a space that the one belt will go through to wrap around your back and come in the front. And then when it's still the wrong side facing you, the right hand side is the zipper, but then when you put it on, the zipper is on the left. Okay, now this is how the belt looks like. As I said, I've done one side of it, and then I paint the color to it, and then this is how it looks like with the facing paint to it and the color. Okay, and this is how the belt is also done. You hem both sides of it, and then you gather one end, and then you pin it or you sew it to the overlap side, both of them. Okay, so now this is what I have pinned, and I'm going to walk you through it. Okay, and then as you see, I've clipped where the facing of the collar is. I clip it, and I'm going to fold the rest of the collar, seam allowance in, and then fold this part on top of it. The collar facing, interfacing, where the interfacing is, that one faces you. And then this will go in, and then I'll fold this and then top stitch. Okay, so this is how it looks like. As I said, I'm going to take you to the machine and then walk you through it. So hold on, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to stitch the facing. Okay, so as usual, 5/8. Excuse me, bless me. And this one, this dress, I didn't change anything. What do you call it? I followed the instruction exactly, so I didn't change anything. I want to get my 5/8. There we go. Ouch. And don't forget, as usual, iron your pieces as you sew. And then the neck and the front, you have to stay stitch at the neck and then at the front of the overlap, crisscross overlap. Okay, now I'm at where I need to clip my collar. Let's see if I got exactly 5/8. Okay, there. This is it. So I'm going to clip the similar ones, trim it, and then finish the collar, and I'll be back. And the facing also, okay? And I'll be back. So hold on. Okay, I'm back. I wasn't able to do the skirt. So next week, God willing, I'll walk you through it. But I've done the front overlap. And then I did the collar too. Okay, so now all what I need to do is join the bodice part to the skirt part, and then do the hem, and the zipper and the hem. Then we'll be all done. So next week, okay? So thank you so much for watching. Happy sewing, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye for now. Thank you.